For centuries, animals have endured unimaginable suffering in the name of scientific research. Countless lives lost, unimaginable pain inflicted. These innocent beings have been subjected to harsh conditions, confined in small cages, and exposed to painful experiments, all in the pursuit of scientific advancement. The ethical implications of such practices have long been a topic of debate, yet the suffering continues. But there is hope on the horizon. A new era is dawning, one that promises a brighter future for these voiceless creatures. This hope is not just a distant dream but a tangible reality that is beginning to take shape. A new dawn is breaking, powered by the extraordinary capabilities of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a technological advancement, it is a beacon of hope for the millions of animals that have suffered in silence. The integration of AI into scientific research is revolutionizing the way we approach experimentation. AI is transforming scientific research, offering unprecedented opportunities to replace animal testing. With AI, we can simulate complex biological processes, predict outcomes with high accuracy, and develop new treatments without causing harm to animals. This technology is paving the way for more humane and ethical research practices. This is not a distant dream, it's a reality unfolding before our eyes, fueled by passionate scientists and cutting-edge technology. These dedicated individuals are working tirelessly to harness the power of AI, ensuring that the future of scientific research is both innovative and compassionate. Imagine a world where knowledge and compassion go hand in hand, where scientific progress no longer comes at the expense of innocent creatures. In this world, animals live freely in their natural habitats, unburdened by the fear of being captured and experimented upon. This is the future AI is creating. A future where technology and nature coexist harmoniously, where the advancements in AI lead to a more ethical and compassionate approach to science. A future where animals are no longer imprisoned in laboratories, subjected to painful procedures and deprived of their freedom. Instead, they are released back into the wild, where they can thrive and live out their lives as nature intended. A future where every living being is respected and valued. In this future, the bond between humans and animals is strengthened, built on a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. This is the promise of AI, a promise of a kinder, more compassionate world. A world where scientific progress and ethical responsibility go hand in hand, ensuring a better future for all living beings. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a game changer in the truest sense. It possesses the power to revolutionize the way we conduct research, offering humane and effective alternatives to animal testing. Imagine software capable of simulating complex biological processes, predicting the effects of drugs on human organs with remarkable accuracy. This is not science fiction, it's the reality AI is making possible. Sophisticated algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict outcomes with a precision that surpasses traditional methods. This means we can develop new drugs and therapies without subjecting animals to cruel and often unreliable experiments. AI is not just replacing animal testing, it's surpassing it, leading to safer, more effective treatments for humans. The potential applications of AI in medical research are vast and varied. From drug discovery to personalized medicine, AI is paving the way for breakthroughs that were once thought impossible. It can tailor treatments to individual patients, taking into account their unique genetic makeup and medical history. This level of precision and customization means better outcomes for patients and a higher success rate for new treatments. The integration of AI in medical research is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift. As we continue to harness the power of AI, we move closer to a future where medical research is more ethical, efficient, and effective. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on human health could be profound. AI is not just a tool, it's a transformative force that is reshaping the landscape of medical research, offering hope for a future where science and compassion go hand in hand. At the heart of this revolution lie algorithms, the invisible engines driving AI's capabilities. These sophisticated sets of rules and instructions enable machines to learn from data, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks that were once the exclusive domain of human intelligence. These algorithms can analyze massive data sets of biological information, sifting through vast amounts of data to find patterns and connections that would be impossible for humans to detect. By identifying subtle correlations and predicting how different drugs will interact with the human body, they pave the way for personalized medicine and more effective treatments. This data-driven approach is far more efficient and reliable than traditional animal testing. It reduces the need for animal subjects and accelerates the pace of discovery. Consider the sheer volume of data generated by modern science. From genomic sequences to clinical trial results, the amount of information is staggering. It's simply impossible for humans to process this information effectively. The traditional methods of data analysis are no longer sufficient. AI, on the other hand, thrives on data. It can process and analyze information at a scale and speed that is beyond human capability. The more data it receives, the more accurate and reliable its predictions become. This iterative learning process allows AI to continuously improve its performance. This is why AI is so well suited for biomedical research. It can handle the complexity and volume of data that modern science generates. It can unlock hidden patterns in data, providing insights that were previously unattainable, revealing insights that would be impossible to uncover through traditional methods. This transformative power of algorithms is reshaping the landscape of scientific research and innovation. The benefits of AI-driven research extend beyond ethics. It's also a win-win for science and the economy. By accelerating research timelines, AI can bring life-saving treatments to patients faster and at a lower cost. This is because AI can automate many of the time-consuming and expensive tasks involved in drug discovery. Traditional drug development is a lengthy and costly process, often taking over a decade and billions of dollars to bring a single drug to market. AI has the potential to significantly reduce both the time and cost involved. This is because AI can rapidly screen thousands of potential drug candidates, identifying the most promising ones for further development. Section 5. A future of compassionate innovation. The convergence of AI and scientific research heralds a new era of compassionate innovation. An era where our thirst for knowledge no longer comes at the expense of animal suffering. This is a future where science and ethics go hand in hand, where progress is measured not just by our advancements but also by our compassion. Imagine laboratories where the only experiments conducted are those that benefit both humanity and the animal kingdom. Imagine a world where animals are no longer seen as tools for research but as fellow inhabitants of this planet, deserving of our respect and protection. This is the future AI is making possible. Section 6. AI in Action Drug Development Revolutionized. The impact of AI is already being felt in drug development. Companies are using AI to design novel drug candidates, predict their efficacy and safety, and even identify potential side effects before human trials even begin. This is revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry, leading to faster development timelines and safer, more effective medications. One remarkable example is the use of AI in developing treatments for rare diseases. These diseases often lack effective treatments due to the small number of patients and the complexity of the conditions. AI is changing that by analyzing vast data sets of genetic information, identifying potential drug targets, and accelerating the development of life-saving therapies. Section 7. Beyond the lab AI for a safer world. The applications of AI extend far beyond the confines of laboratories. AI is being used to develop safer and more sustainable products, reducing our reliance on animal testing in various industries. From cosmetics to household cleaners, AI is helping to create a world where products are both effective and cruelty-free. For example, AI is being used to develop new methods for testing the safety of chemicals without using animals. These methods rely on computer simulations and cell-based assays, providing accurate and reliable results without harming any living creatures. This is a major step forward in creating a world where animals are no longer subjected to painful and unnecessary tests. Section 8. The ethical imperative, our duty to evolve. The rise of AI presents us with a profound ethical imperative, to evolve our relationship with the natural world. We can no longer justify the suffering of animals in the name of scientific progress when humane and effective alternatives exist. AI offers us a path forward, a way to pursue knowledge and innovation while upholding our ethical responsibilities. The time has come to move beyond the outdated practices of the past and embrace a future where compassion and scientific exploration go hand in hand. We have the technology, the knowledge, and the moral obligation to create a world where animals are no longer subjected to unnecessary suffering. Section 9. A call to action, Embracing a kinder future. The transition to an animal-free research paradigm requires a collective effort. Scientists, policymakers, businesses, and citizens must work together to embrace and support the development and adoption of AI-driven research methods. This is not just a scientific endeavor, it's a moral imperative that demands our immediate attention. We must invest in AI research, promote education and awareness, and implement policies that encourage the use of humane alternatives to animal testing. By working together, we can create a future where scientific progress is aligned with our deepest values of compassion and respect for all living beings. Let us embrace this opportunity to create a kinder, more just world for all.